You had a virus, a stomach bug. You were fine before, and all of a sudden, all these bloating, excess gas, runny stools, or constipation came on. Most likely, that is one of the worst things that can happen to your gut, okay? Many years of healing my gut, I got exposed to a stomach virus because, hello, we share a world with them. And all of a sudden, these like weird symptoms came back, and I was like, why? The thing that saved me, super cheap, it's a resin, it grows on a tree, it's called Mastic. I took that with slippery elm for 10 days. I did it before night. I would do a teaspoon of each in almond milk, and I took it as a shot, and I'm back to normal. Because studies show that the mastic helps against 9 different microbial antibacterial microbes, H. pylori included, and the slippery elm will bring down the inflammation in your gut and coat the mucosa lining. So if you're having inflammation, you have runny stools, it will help that. And if you have constipation, if you're hydrating well, it will help that. So I just wanted to share a little tip that helped me and pass it along.